Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the GoPro HERO13 Black accessory bundle, one of the most complete and beginner-friendly kits for creators, travelers, and sports lovers. If you're starting YouTube, moto-vlogging, or adventure content, this bundle gives you everything you need in one box. 1. GoPro HERO13 Black, the heart of the bundle. Shoots 3K ultra-sharp video, improved HD or photos and videos, HyperSmooth 7.0 stabilization, better low-light performance, waterproof up to 33 feet. You get professional-grade footage even in rain, dust, snow, or underwater. Tow, the handler, floating grip for water sports, non-slip grip, floats with the GoPro attached, ideal for swimming, kayaking, surfing. If you record water adventures, this accessory is a lifesaver. 3. 2 Enduro batteries, extended power, up to 40% better endurance, improved cold weather performance, perfect for long 4K, 3K shooting. You won't need to stop mid-adventure to recharge. 4. 2 curved adhesive mounts, secure POV shots, strong bonding on curved surfaces, great for helmets, bikes, boards. This is essential for stable and immersive point-of-view footage. 5. 64 GB SanDisk MicroSD card, high-speed read, write, optimized for GoPro's high-bitrate video. Enough space for multiple hours of 4K footage. No lagging, freezing, or corrupted clips. 6. Carrying case, organized protection, hard shell, dedicated compartments, easy to travel with, keeps your gear neat, safe, and ready to go instantly. Pause for realism. Honestly guys, using this bundle feels like having a complete studio in your pocket. I've used GoPros individually before, but this bundle removes all the guesswork. Everything fits, everything works, everything is ready for action. If you want me to test it outdoors, or compare it with the HERO13, just let me know. Why this bundle is worth it. Saves money versus buying each accessory separately. Ideal for travel vloggers, bikers, trekkers, and creators. Gives you reliable power, mounts, storage, and stabilization. Truly an all-in-one starter pack for YouTube. Hey guys,